A smartwatch on the wrist has more purpose than just relaying notifications from your phone to your wrist that you can quickly glance at. And of course, there are numerous fitness tracking features that come loaded in most smartwatches that are supposed to keep you fit and healthy. You can see your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and now even measure your blood pressure levels and take ECG. However, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 goes one step further and comes with an essential feature that has the potential to save lives and come in handy in emergency situations. I'm talking about the SOS feature. Did you know that in case of an emergency, you can generate an SOS message from your Galaxy Watch 4 instantly and call for help along with your location data? This feature has been there in Galaxy Watches for years now, but sadly not many people know about it or care to use it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this feature works and how you can set it up. For this, go to the Galaxy Wear app, then in watch settings, then in advanced settings, and here you will find SOS settings. The first option you will see here is how to generate an SOS in an emergency situation. All you have to do is press the home button 3 times. The SOS message will be generated from your watch and sent to the contact you have already selected. When you will toggle it on, you will be prompted to set up the emergency contact, which you can select from your contact list. There is also an option to select more than one contact, and you can also select different contacts for messages and calls. Then you can go into settings and see what exactly this feature does. It will send a message to your contact along with your current location at the time. On top of that, it will also make a call to your emergency contacts that you've already selected and put the volume at the lowest level in case you are in trouble. There is also an option to cancel the SOS if it has been generated by mistake, and for that, you can set up a 5-second countdown feature which gives you enough time to stop it and not worry your friends and family for nothing. The attention to detail by Samsung here is worth some brownie points, as they have thought of everything and created it with a lot of deliberation. It's not like some half-baked feature just thrown in there to earn some marketing credits. Moving on, there is also a second and potentially a life-saving feature here as well. If your Galaxy Watch 4 detects that you have had a fall, it will initiate a sequence of events similar to the SOS method I have explained earlier, but it will also give you a 60 seconds window to cancel it if it is a false alert, which can be generated during high-impact sports activity. If, however, you do not cancel it in 60 seconds, then it will send out the SOS message with your location and initiate the calls as well. Here you also get the option to toggle on or off the high sensitivity features, which, although helpful, can also result in a lot more false alerts. This is most suitable for people who are not engaged in a vigorous activity but have a high risk of falling, like elderly people. It is a very crucial feature to have on Galaxy watches and can be used in a variety of health conditions and age groups where there is a fear of falling and injuring oneself. So in case you are rocking Galaxy watches or Galaxy Watch 4 in particular, go ahead and set up this emergency process and contacts on your watch as soon as possible. Or you can also get one for the elderly in your family with a predisposition to falls. I felt that more people should know about this feature and also use it, and that's why I have dedicated an entire video to this. I hope this helps you out. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.